Look at that. Tiffany, go to the window of this next car. Oh my God. So you'll just sit there? He won't fly off?
He's trying to come back inside right now.
What's his name?
His name is Grayson.
Grayson? Hi, Grayson. Hi, Grayson. He talk?
He won't talk in front of strangers.
He's gorgeous.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Hi. He's normally on the seal. Step back. There you go. Good boy.
How are you?
It's good. Thank you. Thank you.
He's just looking, just sitting there. He's
Yeah.
adorable.
Thank
How
you.
old is he?
He'll be 9 this year. 9.
No way.
Yeah.
He's gonna be 9.
Dang.
They live 60 to 80 years, so.
God dang. And how long have you had him?
3 years.
Aww, he's adorable.
Thank you. You guys have a good day.